how to add your views on smoking on your profile on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile in top corner and click these 3 points, then click edit profile. Now scroll down and here you will find the beliefs, and then scroll down and click views on smoking. Now select anything you want here and then click this save icon in top corner, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.